It's your boy Luca Dufsetti here, and today I'm going to show y'all 2 jobs that I completed today. A couple of loads, show y'all how I break down all this stuff so I can get it to fit into a pickup truck instead of going out and get a box truck to complete this job. See, I broke it down, stacked it all up. The objective is just to make it all flat, stack it tight. We out here working next to a lake. We got the lake view right here. See that it's all complete and cleaned up. Here go the next load. I got this one from my Owens Mills, Maryland. This is a bathroom demo. No boundaries junk removal. And this one right here, we got from, where we get this from? Oh yeah, we got this from a Island Cuisine place. They had this in their backyard. They seen my advertisement and called us. Thank y'all for watching.